people are going to ask you, they're going to try and rely on you and keep constantly hitting you up for money. So isn't it really better if you just come up with everybody and make sure everybody's good so you don't have that? I think that's wonderful.
Do it from the start, right? What about you, Dominique? What are your thoughts when you first hear that?
So I love it. When you think about other cultures, they do that. They come together, they stay in one house, they build businesses, they buy up blocks. So I think it's awesome. And I think that we like that we need to change, shift our mindset as in terms of being solo and think about it from that perspective because I feel like we can do more together.
Absolutely. All right. Well, let's watch the video. Oh, my executive producer said, "Well, what do you think?" I think that I always forget to say my perspective, right? I think that I feel like, and I don't mean this in a bad way, but I feel like you don't get a cookie for doing what's right, right? However, there's not enough people that do what's right. And so it feels like it's like this tremendous thing, but we should all be the village, right? He has taken the village ideology and he's implemented it in his family so that it says, I'm not the only one that gets on, we're all going to get on, right? And I think, you know, does that work for everybody? Maybe not. But I think if we have more ideology around how do we move forward as a unit? How do we move forward as a family? And if every family did it, then we could say, how do we move forward as a community? I think we could go further, faster.